So we're going to plant out some of us main crop potatoes today. These are Desiree, and I'll show you where we're going to put them. This is one of those hoop tunnels that I built. Pretty good to work with, just up one side and then you can pull it back when you've got good access to it. And it's got lots of loose compost in it. And what I've done is I've dragged it all to one side so I can plant these potatoes deep. When you're planting these potatoes, obviously you want to plant them with the chit facing upwards. But if you've got 3 or 4 chits on one seed potato, you want to take some off because it's going to grow more foliage than potato in the long run. So I tend to like to have maybe 2 at the most. So that one we can knock off, that one we can knock off. So we've basically just left a couple there. And then we'll make it hole with a dibber and get it put in ground. So I'm just placing these basically in the centre of the bed, and then I'll be putting different things on outside since potatoes are a long season crop. So we'll just take that potato and we'll push it right into that hole, and then we'll space them about 18 inches apart, and then we'll push the next one in. And once we've done that, we just need to cover them over. And I always try to make a bit of a mound in the middle so they're already earthed up. So now we've got that all earthed up, and we've got it covered back up with the mesh as well. And that's a good thing about these tunnels. It'll keep the cats away, which are always a nuisance at this time of year. So there we go, that's a few potatoes, main crop Desiree they're called. We've got them all set up, and we've already mounded it up or earthed it up around the potatoes. So they're already quite deep in that compost. So in the event we do have any more drops in weather, a frost is basically not going to bother them. They're too deep under the soil. And we did fertilise the compost as well before we started that. So now it's just a case of waiting for the plants to come through, which will take a while. But by then we'll be guaranteed that we'll have had and passed as last frost date. Anyway, thanks very much for watching this, I really appreciate it. If you want to see any more as we go through season, just hit the subscribe button and press the notifications bell, and I'll see you all at the next video. You all take care.